guys, Colonel Ninny here. This series of video tutorials is designed for the brand new player to IL-2's Battle of Stalingrad. It's a very complex flight sim and there's a lot to learn. And to help you get there faster, check out my channel. I've got over 100 tutorials that will guide your progress. This is mission 9 in the Sea Dragons campaign. Alright, so what have we got here? We've got Ghosts of the Past. We have the cloud base at 2700. Shouldn't be a factor for us because our altitude is going to be 700. No problem. We have 5 IL-2s and 4 yaks for cover. We just have the bombs. The mission itself is to hit the convoy. That's on this road right here. So what do we know about the target? So once we get feet dry, we're going to be heading of 315 degrees, maintaining 700 meters. We can clearly see this valley up here, so the road should be easy to find. These roads here will help us direct to this small town of Vasilyevka. The biggest hazard for us here is going to be the terrain, because we're in a valley, and also the buildings around the target. Egress heading is going to be 119, and friendly lines are halfway back across the peninsula. And as you know, before we go barreling off, we need to set our radiators. So we'll do the oil and the water. It's full open. Lights on. Okay, let's roll. Power's back to allow the group to catch up. Power to normal cruise. And bring back the mixture. You can see the elevator pitch trim on the left. That's that wheel turning around. We want to get the nose in a position where it will climb and we don't have to put any input onto the stick. Quite often as you climb, you'll find that your manifold pressure goes down, so you have to keep adding the power. And here we're leveling off at 700 meters, heading at 308, trimming it, and then left shift A to put it on auto level. The nice thing about these single player campaigns is you can press P and pause at any time like this, and that allows us to check the map or do anything else that we need to do and come back into the game. So navigating on the map, let's see what's happening. I always like to bring the map up close so I can see what is down there. We're going to be coming over this side a little further off course than intended, and once we're past the airfield, it's only 6 kilometers to the target. There's the airfield down to the left. There's the squiggly road that leads to the road that we want, and there's the valley that we want. Let's find this road on the map here. You can see that intersection. That'll be this one. So if we actually follow this road up, we'll get to the town. And there's our town. Down there, 11 o'clock. Let's have a look for targets down there. You can see one on the road there approaching the crossroads. That's the first of them. Okay, I'm going to turn right. Okay, I've just told my pilots to attack ground targets. I'm coming around to drop my bombs. If it's AAA, I'll go for that first. Looking for AAA. There it is in the field just down there. It's opening up on me, breaking off. So we've got 3 units down there. Fast firing, it's probably 20 mil. Very dangerous. So we need to take care of that first. Here we go. But now, as I'm coming up over these trees, they know I don't have anywhere else to go, so they're going to be right on me unless there's another target out there. So coming back for the next two. I wasn't able to control that properly. It's a bit disappointing. And my 4 guys up there, although I've told them to attack ground targets, obviously they're not. Okay, let's see if we can take out these 2 on this one run here. Very poor control there, I'm afraid. There's only one left here, so I'm just going to watch the trees behind. Okay, AAA's taken care of. Now we can deal with the convoy without any problem. So I'm going to open up my hatch. You can see I've got some damage there from tangling with them. What are you idiots doing? And if there's any armor down there, I want to try to hit that first. The trucks are easy with oh, there's some. The trucks are easy with cannon fire. And no other flak. So we'll roll around and see if we can get those tanks. I'm just going to take a moment here to tell my guys to attack the ground targets. Can't do everything myself. Alright, let's come back and drop my 4 bombs. I'm going to come back now and attack the trucks on the road. I'm going to trim the nose up nicely so I don't have to hold the pressure on. And hopefully I can do a better job than I did on the AAA. You notice the nose of the aircraft was all over the place. That's my fault. I hit something down there. So machine guns will take out trucks. The 20 mil would just help. Ugh. One thing will help is if I slow the aircraft down, I'll have a bit more time on target. And it looks like we got a fighter or something up there shooting down a couple planes, so I'm going to do this one run and then head home. Okay, time to get out of there. That was not very effective at all. Okay, what was the heading home? 119, 119. And hopefully my gunner will take care of business if he's targeting us. He certainly can't get underneath us at this altitude. That's what we want, because the gunner can't shoot at him if he's underneath us. And again, it's always a good idea to navigate and get to know your map, get to know your area, get to know the things that you have as reference points, like this little point down here, the town, everything else. When the weather's bad, you'll need to be able to recognize these kinds of things. Oh dear. Well, battle damage has cost me my engine, but I'm in friendly territory, so I'm going to land down here. And I got my guy on the left there to tell us, try and get someone to come pick me up. Okay, let's concentrate on this one. Ordnance is gone. Not going to be able to put the gear down. It'll just get ripped off anyway. So flaps. Doesn't seem like anything's happening with the flaps. Okay, brace for the landing. Fair enough. So, how do I qualify? So the question is, does it give me a credit or does it not? Mission failed. Dang. Okay, so what did I get? I got 3 transports and 3 AAA guns. Okay, for the cost of 1 airplane. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Let's come back for mission 9.5 and we'll try this again.
As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment. Thank you, guys.